Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. Today I want to show you how to work with date and time in Python. Let's go to the code. First, we need to import the datetime module. Now, current date and time. For getting the current date and time, we can say current date time using the datetime module, date time dot now. Let's print it. I run it here. This is the current date and time. It has the date and the time. Now we can use only the date. So let's say current date. Current date is datetime dot date dot today. Here is now. Here is today. Let's print it. Current date. Let's run it. This is the current date. There is no time part of it. Now let's go to a specific date. Let's print specific date. Specific date is datetime dot date. Which date? For example, 2023. Month 4, day 10, for example. This one is year, this month, and day. Let's print it. Look at here, 2023, 2023, month is 4, 10 is, day is 10, and day is 10. This is the specific one. Now let's go for a specific date and time. So let's go for specific date and time. Specific date time is datetime dot date time. Date time. Here is date only, here is date time. 2023, the month is 4, the day is 10, the hour is 16, the minute is 30, and the second is 0. Now let's print it. Here, specific date and time. It has the date and time. Now let's go and extract and print the components of a date or date time object. So in here, I will say print components of a date or date time object. For example, the year. For getting the year from the date object, specific date dot year. This is our object, date object. We just get the year from it. Easy. For month, you say specific date dot month. For day, we can say specific date dot day. And then we can print year, month, and day. Also, we can get hour, for example, from our specific date time, because here we have hour. I mean, the time is part of this date time. So in here, I can say specific date time dot hour. For minute, you can say a specific date time dot minute. For second, we can say specific date time. Very easy, that's second. Now we can print hour, minute, second. Let's run it. We get here components of a date and date time object. This is the date and this is the time. We can also do arithmetic operations with date. For example, let's put a title for it. Perform arithmetic with dates. For example, if we have a delta, which is from date time dot time delta. What is our delta? It's days. How many days? 7. We have a delta of 7 days, and we have a new date, specific date plus our delta, which is 7 days. So here I have a delta which is 7 days, and my new date is the specific date plus delta. So let's print first of all the specific date to see the difference, and then print the new date. Let's have a look. Look at here, this is the 10th of 4th 2023, and after adding 7 days it's 17th of 4th 2023. So we applied 7 days and created this date. We can find the difference between 2 days. So now print difference between 2 dates. Date 1 is date time dot date 2023 is the year, the month is 4, the day is 10, and date 2 is date time the date 2023. Now the month is 5, 1 month after that, and the day is the same as before. So these two are the same, only the month is 1 month after this one, 1 month difference. So the difference is date 2 minus date 1. Very easy. If you are familiar with other languages, it's not that easy, but in here we can easily use these operations on date and objects. So print difference. Let's have a look. 30 days exactly, because here is the month is 4, here is the month is 5, so 30 days difference, and this is 30 days. Now we can format dates as a string. So this is the title, format dates as a strings. Formatted date is specific date, for example, dot strf time. This is something that you can go, this is for example the name of the month in full, name of the month in full, the day, and the year. You can Google this package datetime, Python datetime, and then as part of the documentation you can find all different options and switches that you can use here. So we say print formatted date. So here we have a date object, we want to format it to a string, and we print it. So let's have a look. This is April, this is the name of the month is full, which is this B, and we don't need this M. Let's try it again. Okay, this is the day, which is the 10, and the year. We can also do the reverse. We can parse dates from strings. So print parse dates from strings. Okay, so for example, we have a data string. It's 2023-04-10, and we want to make an object. So we say parsed date is datetime dot strp time. We pass that string and we say, okay, the format that we pass to you is year first, a dash, then month, dash, then day. This is exactly what we pass here, so it can understand and parse. Now we have that object and the object is created for us. We can show the object. Parse dates from strings. This is our date and the time is 0 because we haven't passed any time. So that's all about working with dates and time in Python in one video. And if you're finding this video helpful or interesting, it's a good time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. I'm going to show you lots of amazing stuff here in this channel. Thank you for watching and see you later.